Hey guys, this is David from theunlocker.com, and today we're going to show you how to unroot the MyTouch 4G slide. Okay, so before you begin, you need to understand that this is going to completely erase your device and reset it back to its out-of-box state. So basically we're going to lose root, we're going to put it back to S-on, we're going to put a stock recovery back on it and all the stock data. So this will be exactly as it was whenever you took it out of the box originally. This is good for if you want to send it in for warranty reasons, if you're selling the phone, or if you just want to start from scratch and then reroute and go through the whole process all over again for whatever reason. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to download this stock firmware. So you're going to click on that. And it'll begin to download if you have a Mega Upload account. If you don't, put in the information and click download. It'll make you wait a couple of seconds and then let you download the file. So we're going to download that. Make sure that that's the name it comes up as, pg59img.zip. So leave it like that and hit save. Now we're going to wait for that to save to our computer. Okay, so then you're going to plug in your device via USB. And pull this down and make sure that it is selected as disk drive so that we can transfer files to it. Okay, and then on your computer, your device's SD card should show up. If you're using a PC, it'll just pop up automatically, or you can go to My Computer and look for a removable disk. On a Mac, it shows up as a disk drive here on the desktop. So we double click that to open it. And then we're going to take our file that we downloaded earlier. I have it here on the desktop for easier access, but yours might be in your downloads folder or wherever. We're going to take it and we're going to just put it on the SD card, not inside any folders, just on the SD card itself. So it's just the removable disk and then the pg59img.zip file. So if you look through here, it's not going to be inside any of these folders. It's going to just be right here on the SD card. Also, do not extract it. Leave it as a .zip file. We need it to be a .zip file on the SD card. Okay, once that's done transferring, we can then disconnect our USB cable and then proceed to turn off the device and wait for it to power off. Okay, once the device is completely off, we're going to turn it back on by holding down volume down and power at the same time and keep holding it until this screen comes up. It should automatically start looking for the .zip file that we just put on the SD card, and it'll eventually find it, and you'll see a status bar start to appear here at the top right. Okay, eventually it's going to finish loading up that update, and it's going to say, do you want to start the update? You're going to push volume up to signify yes. It'll then say update in progress, and you'll start to see it updating every individual component. Okay, and then once it's done with the update, it's going to tell you update complete and press power to reboot. So we're going to push the power button and wait for the device to reboot. Okay, and once the device boots completely up, you'll be brought to the setup screen that you got when you first turned on your phone. This means you're all set. The phone is now back to its out-of-box state when you first got it.